Okay, so we got the BG56 leaf blower. We filled it up with fuel. We're gonna cold start it, prime the primer bulb, put it on full choke, let it warm up a little bit, and then you want to stay tuned. We're gonna rev the crap out of it, and let's listen how it sounds. I'm gonna first put the choke on fully. This choke disengages by itself when you hit the throttle. So let's see.